The hunting knife has been around since ancient times when hunting was the primary way humans acquired meat. There are many types of products from which it is very difficult for you to get a good hunting knives. So to help you make a decision, I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion which hunting knives is the best. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Mossy Oak 2-piece Bowie knife. A good hunting knife should be flexible and ideally inexpensive. The 2-piece Mossy Oak Bowie knife set is precisely what it claims to be. Both knives have full-tang stacked leather handles, razor-sharp clip-point blades measuring 6 inches and 4 inches, impact nylon sheaths, and the only distinction between them is the length of the blades. If you want to complete your hunting kit on a tight budget, this 2-knife set is ideal. This multi-purpose knife set can be used for a variety of outdoor chores and jobs, such as slicing, cutting, skinning, and gutting. However, you'll need a more robust knife for that. This knife set is not the ideal option for batoning firewood. However, whether you use it to prepare game or do camp chores, this one will get the job done. The ergonomically shaped, stacked leather handle is meant to provide you a secure hold while working. Number 2. Buck Knives 124 Frontiersman Knife. Buck hunting knives are as well known as Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Since the beginning of time, they have made high-quality, durable hunting knives for everyone from novice outdoor enthusiasts to seasoned hunters. The huge and bold 124 Frontiersman hunting knife is a limited edition, and its 6/14 inches blade is crafted of high-carbon 420 stainless steel. From the conventional straight spine blade with its hollow grind profile to the black micarta handles in full tang, this knife has everything a hunter could need. You'll use it for all other tasks around camp as well as to examine that 12-pointer. It has great edge retention, which is essential, and it arrives razor sharp and extremely well balanced. The metal cross guards help keep your hand in the proper place while spearing, and the pommel makes a superb blunt weapon for self-defense. Number 3. SOG Seal Strike Tactical Hunting Knife. If you're looking for a modern, ultra-durable clip-point hunting knife, you can stop looking. The SOG Seal Strike hunting knife was modeled after the blades used by the Navy SEALs. The black titanium nitride coating on the stainless steel clip-point blade prevents corrosion. When a blade has a full tang, it signifies that it extends all the way into the handle. It is stronger than a standard bushcraft or Bowie knife as a result. The blade also features partial serrations for quick and accurate edge cutting. Control and comfort were considered when making the handle. Due to its ergonomic shape, non-slip grip pattern, and stainless steel construction, you won't drop it even if your hands are damp or wet. Additionally, it comes with one of the greatest sheaths for the money. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. Undoubtedly, when you hear the term Smith & Wesson, you immediately picture a vintage revolver. Obviously, it is their most well-known item, but they also make a fantastic range of knives. We decided to include the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops SWA-24S folding knife on our list as a bit of a wild card. Even though this knife is a little smaller than the average hunting knife, we think it might still be a useful hunting companion. The tiny 3.1 inches blade will rapidly handle any skinning and gutting jobs you need to complete while out hunting, despite the fact that it isn't a gut hook. It has an ergonomically designed grip with thumb knobs and a comfy pocket clip. This knife is handy for any situation thanks to the foldable blade. The blade is razor sharp even if it has a small serration. We also appreciate how reasonably priced it is if you're looking for a tiny, trustworthy knife for small game. This one is a great option. Number 5. Buck Knives 119 Special Hunting Knife. To honor the model's 75th birthday, Buck has developed the 119, another limited edition hunting knife. Why it took so long is clear to you. This gorgeous knife has a full tang and a 6 inches clip blade with excellent corrosion resistance and edge retention. The 420 high carbon steel used to create the 6 inches clip point blade is especially durable and corrosion resistant, making it ideal for a variety of outdoor tasks. Because of its small point, it is perfect for cutting, piercing, and many other types of precise work. Some guys might be interested in purchasing this because it's a collectible, but nobody should discount the fact that the 119 has been around for so long because it's such an excellent hunting and survival knife.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information PF, if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.